Hi guys, it's Jessie Marie. Thanks for watching. Today I'm here to show you another awesome product. This is the Rouge by Kiss Travel Cordless Flat Iron. Lithium iron battery, USB rechargeable, cable included. It lasts for up to 50 minutes on a full charge. It has two temperature settings. It goes up to 420 degrees. Sorry, I almost said 450. 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Ceramic plates. Smooth, frizz-free results. It's perfect for travel, on the go. Like I said, it's a mini straightener, so I don't recommend using it on your full head of hair, especially if you had a lot of hair like me, but it's great for travel. I would definitely take this, on vacation, or if I'm heading overnight somewhere, just wherever, on the go. I would keep this in my backpack or my suitcase wherever I'm headed. But yeah, so I'll show you real quick. Mine's already preheated, but you just hold the button down to turn it on and off, and then to adjust the temperature, you just lightly click, and then while it blinks, it'll go down all the way to its lowest temperature, and then if you want it to go up, you click and it'll blink, and then once it hits the max temperature, it'll stop blinking. So yeah, anyways, it's great not having to deal with cords. Your hands are free and you can just straighten your hair. And now you can find this on my Amazon list. That's on my link in bio. Just click my link in bio and follow me on Amazon, and you can find this and all my other Amazon finds. But yeah, it's that simple. Thanks for watching.